I will make this topic super easy. Click the subscribe button below and watch this lecture until the end. Limiting and excess reactant. What is limiting reactant? What is excess reactant? I will answer these two questions. Follow me carefully. To make one sandwich, you need 2 slices of bread and 1 slice of cheese. Let me tell you again. To make one sandwich, you require 2 slices of bread and 1 slice of cheese. Now let me give you 4 slices of cheese and 6 slices of bread. From this given, from 4 slices of cheese and 6 slices of bread, how many sandwich you can make? Think a moment. You have 4 slices of cheese and you have 6 slices of bread, and how many sandwich can you make? Don't forget, to make one sandwich you require 2 slices of bread and 1 slice of cheese. You can only make 3 sandwiches. The number of sandwiches is limited by the number of slices of bread. Therefore, the excess reactant is slice of cheese. The limiting reactant is slice of bread, because we have 1 slice of cheese remaining. 1 slice of cheese is left over. Therefore, limiting reactant is used up first. The limiting reactant determines the amount of product formed. Excess reactant is not completely used up. Excess reactant present in excess amount, and some of it left over after chemical reaction. As we have seen above, the limiting reactant produces less amount of product as we compare to excess reactant. Don't forget this one. Limiting reactant produces less amount of product as we compare to excess reactant. Different, different, different. Let me give you one example. If 6.5 gram of zinc reacts with 5 gram of HCl, according to chemical reaction, zinc reacts with 2 mole of HCl to form zinc chloride plus hydrogen molecule. The mass of zinc is given, which is 6.5, and the mass of HCl is given, which is 5 gram. Now let us answer the following question. How many grams of hydrogen would be? Which substance is how many grams of reactant remain unreacted? Let us answer A. To answer A, let us find the mass of hydrogen using both zinc and HCl. Zinc react with first using zinc plus 2 mole of HCl to form zinc chloride plus hydrogen. Now by using the mass of zinc, let us determine the mass of hydrogen molecule. The question here is that 6.5 gram of zinc produce how many gram of hydrogen molecule? To answer this, let us set up zinc hydrogen ratio from the balanced chemical equation. 65 gram per mole of zinc produce 2 gram per mole of hydrogen molecule. The question here is that 6.5 gram of zinc produce how many grams of hydrogen molecules? 65 gram per mole of zinc produce how many? 2 gram of per mole of hydrogen molecule. 6.5 gram of zinc produce how many gram of hydrogen molecule? Now let us cross them. 65 gram per mole into x gram of hydrogen, which is equal to 6.5 gram into 2 gram per mole of hydrogen. After calculation, we have X equal to 0.2 gram of hydrogen molecule. 6.5 gram produce only 0.2 gram of hydrogen molecule. Just 65 gram per mole produce 2 gram per mole hydrogen. 6.5 gram of zinc produce 0.2 gram of hydrogen molecule. Now using HCl, zinc react with 2 mole of HCl to produce zinc chloride plus hydrogen molecule. We know that the mass of HCl is given. Now let us determine the mass of hydrogen molecule. 5 gram of HCl produce how many gram of hydrogen molecule? This is the question. To answer this question, let us set up a ratio of HCl to hydrogen molecule. From the balanced chemical equation, 73 gram of HCl produce 2 gram of hydrogen molecule. Now the question here is that 5 gram of HCl produce how many grams of hydrogen molecules? Now to answer this, let us cross them. 73 gram into X, which is equal to 5 gram into 2 gram. After calculation, we have X equal to 0.137 gram of hydrogen molecule. 5 gram of HCl produce only 0.137 gram of hydrogen molecule. Therefore, the correct mass of hydrogen molecule is 0.127 gram, because 0.127 gram is less than 0.2 gram, which is excess reactant that's produced by zinc. Solution B. The limiting reactant is HCl and excess reactant is zinc. How many grams of remain unreacted? To answer this question, let us write the chemical equation again. Zinc react with 2 mole of HCl to form zinc chloride plus hydrogen molecule. Don't forget 6.5 gram of zinc is excess reactant. Therefore, it don't react with 5 gram of HCl. Now, 5 gram of HCl react with how many gram of zinc? Let's answer this question. To answer this question, let us set up zinc to HCl ratio. From the balanced chemical equation, 73 gram of HCl react with 65 gram of zinc. Now, 5 gram of HCl react with how many gram of zinc? Let us cross. After calculation, we have X equal to 4.45 gram of zinc. Means 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 that 5 gram of HCl react with only 4.45 gram with zinc react 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 with